So guys, hi guys. So I've actually got this beautiful property to show you. It has electric gates, show you them there. And we're going into this property. This is a word I've never used, but this property is exceptional. I've used that, and superb. It's really lovely. So let's go in and check it out. So as you can see, there is electric gates. And just here you have got a garage there. You've got an underbuild just under there, and you've got this terrace. So I'm just taking you around here first. I'm not going to take you around here. We're going to go into the main property first, and then we'll have a look at the rest of the area in a moment. So you've got these steps with this chrome balustrade leading up to the open terrace. Now it's lovely. I love these Spanish open terraces because in the summer you get those warm breezes through. Really beautiful. So you have got a ceiling light and fan there. And I'm just going to take you inside the property. Okay, so you've got your wrecker gate and you've got insect screens on that. You've got your modern door. Just let me take you inside. I'll shut the door behind me now. So guys, I've just come in to the Neptune itself, and just directly behind the door you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobes where you can keep all your bits and bobs in, your ironing board or whatever you want, okay? I'm just going to pan around, and as you can see, we have got central heating, we have a log burner feature fireplace, and you have aircon. This room is absolutely huge. And you've got another radiator just down this end as well. I'm just going to pan around just to give you a feel for this room. Okay. Now I'm going through the archway here, and we'll have a look in here. Now just here, this of course is just, I'll put the light on, it's just storage room. Okay. Just in here you have a bathroom, and it is quite a large bathroom at that. It's tiled from ceiling to floor. You've got your bath, your semi-frosted shower screen there, and your shower. You've got your radiators in here as well. You've got your WC, your bidet, and your sink and pedestal. You've got a frosted glass window just up there as well. A nice little vanity unit with a mirror. You've got your shaving socket just on there as well. I'll just take this room at a different angle. This is a very large bathroom. You've got your uplighter there as well, and you've got a heater just over the doorway. Okay, so let's go into the next room, which is a bedroom just here. Now you've got a single bedroom in here. I say single, there's a single bed in, but I'm sure it would probably take a double bed. You have aircon, you've got your insect screens, blackout blinds and everything else. You've got an integrated wardrobe there. And I think that's one of those guest beds that pull out as a double, and you've got your radiator. You also got your ceiling light and fan there as well. All right, so good sized bedroom. So let's explore the rest of this property. This property is fabulous, really huge. It was not what I was expecting when I walked into this Neptune. As you can see, I'll go upstairs last because there is a top box up there. Just here you have your dining area. So that's just there. And this is off your kitchen. And of course, kitchen has plenty of top and base units, plenty of worktop spaces as well. And you have your washing machine, your sink and drainer there, your integrated hob and oven, granite effect worktop, your boiler just under there, And I do like this grey colour that's been painted on the cupboards. Really nicely done. So let's go through the archway and further on. Now normally there is a window here, so this has all been extended here, okay? So just going in here to bedroom. And I just pan around. As well as you can see, it's quite a large bedroom. That is really large double doors that slide over your wardrobe. You've also got your radiator there. And you've got spotlights above. Okay. You could fit a good size, queen size bed in here if you wanted. And just there you have your aircon, and this room looks over the pool area. Okay, so another good size room. So I'm just going up through here, and this is another extra large bathroom. It is a shower room, obviously. So you've got your frosted glass window, you've got your glass blocks and your shower up there. You've got your WC and your sink and pedestal. You've also got your radiator just under the towel there. And of course, just behind the door, you got your socket for shaving and your switch, okay? So just in there is your shower. So it's another quite large, they're really exceptionally large bathrooms in this property. For a Neptune, it's very exceptional because the rooms are a lot bigger than the norm. So in here, you have your spotlights above, you have your aircon and windows, obviously. Windows. You'd have windows in a room anyway, wouldn't you? So you have large double sliding door wardrobes, and you have your central heating. So the house has central heating and aircon throughout so far. And again, that looks out over that beautiful pool, which we'll have a look at soon. Just going to give you another glimpse of this nice big bedroom. And we go down through this corridor, through the dining area, into this large living space, and we're going upstairs to the top box. So I'll see you at the top, guys. Now I've just come to the top box upstairs, and again you have your aircon and your central heating. You've got his and her wardrobes, and you've got your ceiling light and a fan. Again, this is exceptionally large bedrooms, and you have 2 porthole windows in this property, well 3, counting the one on the stairs. So, well, there's actually 4. There's one just here as well. There's one on the stairs and there's 2 here. So these rooms are really exceptionally large if you like large bedrooms. And just down here, of course, past the windows, is an ensuite. So just in here, you have a toilet and sink and pedestal, your radiator, nice porthole window. I do like the porthole windows. I think they give a lot of character to the property. And of course, you've got your shower room. And of course, that looks over the beautiful views over there as well. So let's go outside. Oh my goodness, look at this. So not only do you just have the normal rooftop solarium that they have in Neptunes, it's extended here as well. Look at this. Oh my goodness, how big is this property? Oh, could get loads of lounges up here, I have to say. This is exceptional. And that is the pool down below. So we're going to go down and have a look around there. So come on with me, guys, and we go downstairs. We'll have a look downstairs again and around the area. This house just keeps on giving. It's the second house this week that is really quite large, you know. So let's go back down the steps here. Now I've just come back downstairs, look around this living room, and we're going to go out the front door and I'm going to have a look around the outside space for you guys. Now let's just go outside now, and I'm going to show you the outside of the property. Go back down these. I could have gone out the kitchen, but decided I wanted to have a look around this way first. Right, I'm going to take you into the underbuild first, guys. Now there are a few steps down here. Make a great games room. You could just imagine a pool table there, you know, and a darts board. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so you have got obviously some pump or something down that end. Got lights in here and switches, and you have got sockets as well. Okay, so let's go back out. Is there some pump if you men who want to look at things like that? So I've just come back outside now, and we're going to have a look around this beautiful area. You've got a fantastic pool, you've got your shower there, and this really large pool. I'm going to walk over here, and of course that's where they keep the pump for the pool, and you got exceptionally big area here. Look at that, guys, look at that. Who wouldn't want to live here now? Make a fantastic, absolutely fantastic property. You could get loads of family in here because it's exceptionally big as well. So this is a great property. And of course you got that orange tree there. Look at all the oranges on that. Those oranges, full of oranges, fresh orange juice in the morning. Can you imagine? So I could see a lovely family living here, and of course you have the walls that are raised for privacy as well. See the tip of the mountains just overhead. The birdie is coming down to greet me or bombard me, one or the other. And I'll just bring you up here because this is the back end of the house here. That's the kitchen, and that's pedestrian gate out there, okay, to the side of the property. Very private, perfect for a large family. So just here, guys, there is a boiler. Oh, it's a nice little room. So you got your boiler for your central heating and all your business just here. That was the door on the other side that I couldn't get into, but you don't need to have that open anyway. All right. So hi guys, what do you think of this property? It is exceptional, I've got to say. Very large property, large bedrooms, and every turn you take there's something different. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Don't forget, I will leave the reference number for this property in the title of the video. Put that in your email along with your contact details if you're inquiring about the property. Okay, so until the next time, take care. See you again. Hasta luego.